How to make creamy, glossy and smooth chocolate ganache. Pour 200 ml heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat over low heat for a few minutes. Make it hot. Don't let it boil or simmer. Get a medium-sized bowl. Add chocolate chips into the bowl. Once the cream is hot, pour hot cream over chocolate chips and let it rest for 5 minutes to soften the chocolate. Stir slowly first using a spatula, gradually mixing faster until ganache is creamy, glossy and smooth. Refrigerate for 20 minutes to make it thick, similar consistency to Nutella. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching.